Now, martinmits. Martin, you wanted me to review this helicopter, so I'll review it for you. Yeah. And the comments you gave me about just want to live in Holland and all kind of stuff. Holland is a nice place, you know. It's a nice place where I live as well. And smoking weed here is legal as well. You can buy it in your local shop. It's fucking awesome. And yeah, love. I like talking to you on YouTube and that kind of stuff. But only problem is, I have problems with talking live in English to people because yeah, I have problems with writing fast in English live while chatting or something. So that's why I mostly go offline, because it goes too quick for me. That's why. So then you know why I go offline sometimes while we were chatting. So you know. Hope you don't mind it. It's yeah, I can't do nothing about it. Sometimes it goes quick for me with other people as well. It's not only you. So yeah. Now this is the helicopter. It's been made by a person that is one of my mother's friends. It's been made in by an amateur. But the problem is, all the stuff is still on it. The problem is the person who built this has died, and he was not old when he died. And yeah, you see in there, I can hide stuff in it. You see this? Juice. That's the front. Wait a minute. That's the front of it. That's the back side. The other side. It's been made with pop nails. So, and this turns as well. But I'm not doing it because it comes to my screen. Nice thing this. I do like it. So yeah. So I reviewed the helicopter. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you again, friend. Ciao ciao. See you on YouTube. See you on Facebook. Bye bye. I done this myself, by the way, when I was younger, when I played with it. And only misses one of them. I'm gonna review this as well because I found that on the street.